Hi students, today we are going to find some more problems of quadratic expressions and equations which are like this. The problem is if alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then find the values of the following expressions in terms of a comma b comma c. What is first problem? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Let us see the solution. Here, according to the given conditions, since alpha comma beta are the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then take sum of the roots alpha plus beta. What is sum of roots? We got already, we know that minus b by a. What is product of roots? Alpha and beta. How much is that? C by a. Let us find the first value, which is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. The first value. Consider 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Take LCM here. What is LCM? Alpha beta is the LCM. What will come in numerator? Take cross multiplication. Beta plus alpha. We know the value of alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha plus beta, beta plus alpha, no problem. Both same. What will come here? Minus b by a. Denominator how much? C by a. What are get cancelled? Denominators get cancelled. What will come here? Minus b by c. This is our required result. Now, let us go for one more question. We are going to find the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Understand? Now, here, what is LCM here? Alpha square, beta square, LCM. What will come in numerator? Beta square plus alpha square will come. This can be written as alpha square plus beta square plus alpha square, no problem. The numerator will be taken as alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta formula. Expand it. What will come here? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. 2 alpha beta get cancelled. We can get the numerator again. What is denominator value? It can be written as alpha beta whole square. This can be alpha plus beta is how much? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value c by a. Denominator c by a whole square. Simplify it. What will come? Check. Simplify the value here. Now the simplification is like this. Continuation that can be b square by a square minus 2c by a by c square by a square. What is LCM in numerator? A square. What will come? B square minus 2ca. LCM in numerator is a square. Will come b square minus 2ca by c square by a square. A square get cancelled. What will come here? Here will come as like this, b square minus 2ca by c square. This is our equation. Let us see one more value like this. Now we are going to find the value of alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Okay, this can be taken as alpha square plus beta square by 1 by alpha square, alpha power minus 2, beta power minus 2 can be written as 1 by beta square. This can be alpha square plus beta square by denominator LCM alpha square beta square LCM. What will come in numerator? Beta square plus alpha square will come in numerator. So the continuation is as like this: alpha square plus beta square is the numerator into the denominator will come in numerator. Reciprocal. Beta square plus alpha square plus beta square plus alpha square is the same. Will come as alpha square beta square. Nothing but alpha beta square. What is alpha beta value? C by a. So it will come as c square by a square. The next question is, we are going to do another question as like this: alpha power 4 beta power 7. Next question. Alpha power 4 beta power 7 less alpha power 7 beta power 4. Going to find this one. What is that common here? Alpha power 4 beta power 4 get common. What will come here? Beta cube plus alpha cube, or alpha cube plus beta cube. It can be taken as alpha beta power 4 into a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is another formula of a cube plus b cube. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We know the value of alpha beta. What is alpha beta value? C by A power 4 into alpha plus beta minus b by A whole cube minus 3 into C by A into minus b by A. This can be taken as C power 4 by A power 4. This is minus b cube by A cube. This can be written as like this. Minus into minus plus 3bc by A square here. Next, C power 4 by A power 4. LCM A cube here will come minus b cube plus 3a bc here. It is both denominators A power 4 A power 3 is A power 7. C power 4 b get common in numerator minus b square plus 3ac by A power 4 A power 3 A power 7. It can be taken as b into C power 4 plus into 3ac minus b square by A power 7. This is our required result. The remaining we should do in the next class.